we're going to be turning this penny right here into $10,000 we're just going to be starting with a penny. We're going to be using this penny, and we're going to turn it into $10,000. Let's go. First off, instead of using this penny, because a penny, honestly, you can't really get anything with a penny. So what we're going to start off doing is we're going to take the penny and actually put it into our bank. So we're going to have this little bank up here that just tells us what amount we have. So it should say, bank, 1 cent, whatever. Super cool. What we're going to be doing first is we're going to start off by doing free stuff. So we're going to be, asking if anybody needs help with stuff, kind of just, to get it started, because I feel like the first 10, 20 bucks is kind of where everything is. Okay, so I actually went around and I was talking to a bunch of my friends and I was asking them if they had anything that they wanted me to do. And I actually had a friend who asked me if I could watch his dog this weekend. So we're going to be heading over there, and he said that he would pay me. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using every single cent, okay? How much gas we use, how much everything. We're going to be using down to the penny, because right now technically we only have 1 penny. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using other resources that I have to get over there and get paid for the first part, which I don't think it's cheating, because I feel like most people have, either their legs, a bike, a car, local public transit, or somebody that can drive them over there. So we're going to have somebody drive me over there, and yeah, then I will pay them for their gas, and then we will see how long it takes me to get all the stuff done, and then we will see how much I make, and then we'll go from there. And hopefully we can turn that money into more money, and then repeat, and turn it into 10 grand. So here we go. Let's do that. Alright. Okay, guys. So, we got a rental car for me. Since I got in the car crash. And dude, it smells really bad in here. It smells like cigarettes. The person who rented this before definitely smoked in this car. So, yeah, that's not very good. We're gonna be talking, just nobody's really gonna see this video until for a little bit. Just kinda, I don't know, dude. Yeah, we're just kinda gonna be talking about some things, going through it, doing all that fun stuff, and then hopefully the freaking heat turns on. Alright guys, we are back. Let me hold up. Where'd my wallet go? Hold up. The $60 and, hold up, let me grab it. 1 penny. We have $60 and 1 penny in the bank account now. We're going to put a little $60 and 1 penny. That is going to be the total for this first video, just because taking care of my friend's dog actually took a while, and I had, Thanksgiving and all that kind of stuff, so I ended up running out of time for this week. It's going to be, oops, sorry. I'm holding the camera up, so if it wiggles or whatever, don't worry about it. Not even a problem. This week was super busy. I'm going to be doing weekly segments of what I do and how long it takes me and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't film much of me going to my friend's house, just out of respect for his house and his dog and all that kind of stuff. And I didn't want to show you guys where he lived. But I have a few videos of me driving stick for the first couple of times. And I'll probably put a little segment of that, just 5 seconds, just because it's not that interesting. But yeah. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing for the first 2 episodes, this episode and the next episode, is kind of just doing free things or spending a little bit of money. I actually already bought a few things with the money. So yeah, I'm taking this $60 to the bank tomorrow. I bought 3 old proof sets with them, so I'll show you guys what those are, and I'll show you guys the whole ordeal on what goes into making money out of those when we get them back. So yeah, hopefully they come soon, fingers crossed. And yeah, I'm shaking the camera a lot, but I'm not really worried about it. So yeah, that is the end for this video. If you guys are excited for more videos, which I'm excited for more videos because I feel like this is something I want to do, make sure and like and comment in this video, and I'm going to be giving away this quarter right here. It's super dark and purple. but it's silver, so it's worth like $5 anyways, and I'll be giving it away for free. So if you guys like this video, I'll be picking somebody, and yeah, hope you guys like this video. It's kind of probably gonna be pretty dang short, but you know, it's kind of just like a little warm-up video. So yeah, I hope you guys are all enjoying your Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, adios, guys.